9 a.m. Central Standard Time Sunday. What? Heavy mixed precipitation occurring. Plan on difficult travel conditions. Additional snow and sleet accumulations of up to 1 inch and ice accumulations of 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch are expected. Where? Portions of West Tennessee, East Arkansas, and the Missouri Boot Heel. When? Until 9 a.m. Central Standard Time Sunday. Additional details. Be prepared for significant reductions in visibility at times. Be careful on bridges and overpasses as they will freeze first. Secondary roads will be the next to freeze. Numerous power outages may occur. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice are occurring. This will make travel very hazardous or impossible. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. This hazardous weather